Hello, tech enthusiasts. I am Mr. Nobody, and today we're gonna talk about the Galaxy Book 4 series. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe button so when we post, you don't miss out on any updates. Samsung has launched the Galaxy Book 4 series featuring three models. That Galaxy Book 4 Pro, Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360, and Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. These laptops come with up to Intel Core Ultra 9 CPUs and up to Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 graphics, equipped with a dedicated neural processing unit for improved on-device AI performance. The Galaxy Book 4 series offers 3K AMOLED touchscreens with a 120 Hz refresh rate, with the Galaxy Book 4 Pro and Pro 360 available in Moonstone Gray and Platinum Silver shades. Pricing for the new Galaxy Book 4 series is still under wraps, with the first launch in South Korea in January next year. The Galaxy Book 4 Pro and Pro 360 are offered in Moonstone Gray and Platinum Silver shades, while the top-end Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is available in a single Moonstone Gray color. The Galaxy Book 4 Pro runs on Windows 11 Home and comes in 14-inch and 16-inch variants. It features an AMOLED WKXA Dell display with 400 nits of peak brightness, 16 aspect ratio, and a 120 is a refresh rate. The laptop can be configured with an Intel Core Ultra 7 or Intel Core Ultra 5 CPU with Intel Arc graphics, up to 32B of RAM, and up to on TB of SSPCI storage. Both models have a 63U battery, 76Y battery, 65U fast charging support, Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB Type-A port, HDMI 2.1 port, micro slot, headphone microphone combo port, AccuG quad speaker with support for Dolby Atmos, dual microphones, 2 megapixel, 1080 pixel full HD webcam, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity options, and a backlit keyboard. The Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 is a convertible 2-in-1 laptop with a 306-degree hinge that allows users to turn the machine into a Windows tablet. It comes bundled with S Pen and offers identical configuration options as the regular Pro model, including Intel Core Ultra 7 and Intel Core Ultra 5 CPU options, Intel Arc graphics 16B, 32GB LPG, 5.5 RAM, 512G, and 1TB SSPCA storage options. The Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is the top-of-line model in the trio, featuring a 16-inch AMOLED UWXD display, 64GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 2TB of SSD storage, dedicated GeForce RTX 4050 or 4070 GPU, and a physically separated NOx security chip. The laptop's vapor chamber and dual fan are claimed to lower heat and fan noise with a new optimal cooling system. Connectivity options, sound system, and webcam are similar to the other two models, and it also features a backlit keyboard.